Hi friends, my name is Sukanya. I am basically from Kerala. Currently I am staying in Kotanur in Bangalore along with my husband. My husband name is Sajesh. He is working in a software company. I am an MBA graduate. Um, Before I came here, I went many interviews, but I didn't get selected uh, due to my communication problem. That's why That's why I came here for improve my communication. Before I came here, I searched in Google many institutions nearby my home. Uh, that time, uh, that time I saw uh, Prizma Academy has a good reputation comparatively other institutions nearby my home. That's why I came here for learning English. Uh, Before I came here, I not enough I not much enough bold to speaking in English in front of others. Now I can able to speak in front of others without any fear inside in me. And here in Prisma Academy, all the teachers are very good. They are very caring and they are very supportive. My tutor is teacher Lauren. She's very supportive. If I made any mistake, she will always help me to correct it. That I think her way of teaching is very good. And here I got many friends. Uh, they all are very funny, and they always tease me like us, like their sister. And I think this institution helped me a lot um, to improve my communication. I learned many knowledge in English, and I definitely recommend this institution for my friends because this institution is very good comparatively other institution nearby this area. I think I had a good experience here. So that's all. Thank you, friends.